That is so cute. I hope you saw that the propeller actually moved and he is flying around in circles. Hi, welcome to the Windup Project. I'm Marla Mogul. I have been collecting Windup toys for over 30 years. I have over 1,000 toys in my collection. My intention is to share the joy, the laughter, and the fun that I get from my Windup toys with the rest of the world. If you want to participate in my fun, please subscribe to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at Mickey Mouse. I am a huge Disney fan, and the toys I have today are some of my favorite because each one has Mickey in a different vehicle. They each do something different, and they're very colorful. First, I want to start with Mickey in an airplane. A fun fact about airplane rides at Disney World, there used to be a ride called Dream Flight. It was sponsored by Delta Airlines. It closed in 1998. It also replaced another attraction that was sponsored by Eastern Airlines called If I Could Fly. Here's Mickey and his plane. On the wings are the mouse ears with M's in the middle. Mickey is piloting the plane. That is so cute. I hope you saw that the propeller actually moved and he is flying around in circles. It looks like Mickey isn't really sure where he's going to. Next, we see Mickey in a boat, and this reminds me of the riverboat in Liberty Square at both Disney World and Disneyland. There are other water rides and rides in boats, but this particular boat reminds me of the riverboat. I don't know if you could see it, but the steering wheel turns around, this goes up and down, and the rudder actually moves. Here's Mickey in a helicopter. I couldn't find any helicopter rides that they've had or that they currently have at either Disney, but I think this is awfully cute. Love the propeller going around. People frequently ask me where I find my wind-up toys. I found all of these at Disney World. I've taken many trips to both Disney World and Disneyland. This one actually even has a price tag on it. I don't know how long ago I got it, but it was $3. They're not that much more expensive today, but $3 back then, probably a really good deal. Here's Mickey in a train, and if you're a big Disney fan like me, I always notice that train the first thing when you walk into the park. There's the railroad that actually goes all the way around the park, and it makes stops in all the different lands, so it's an interesting way to see Disney. In typical Disney style, there's an M on the side of the train. Next, Mickey in a fire engine. I don't know if you know this, because I didn't know this. There is actually a fire engine at Disneyland. It was originally put there in 1958, right at the opening, and it's still there. What I like about this one is the hose moves up and down. You can actually get a ride in the fire engine. It's very old, from 1958, obviously been restored. It's not licensed for street riding, but they do allow it at Disneyland, and you can pick that up in front of Snow White's castle. Here's Mickey in a submarine. I have very fond memories of the 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea ride. It hasn't been there since 1971. The submarine ride at Disneyland is now the Finding Nemo ride, and it's really, really adorable. This one doesn't really work anymore moving, but I could show you the moving parts. So this little thing in the front goes around, Mickey's head goes back and forth, and the periscope goes up and down. And the rudder in the back turns around. I hope you enjoyed watching Mickey Mouse today. If you like what you saw here today, please subscribe to my channel and keep smiling. Thank you, Theodore.